What do you want for this shirt?
Okay, here's the story.
Tell me.
Paid $75 for it.
Ah,
yours
look like you got scammed,
yours
brother.
Right? No.
I'm pretty sure these are the ones that we picked up like 2 weeks ago that people like freaked out about. So things may have just changed, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado.
And I'm Haley, also known as Hairytornado.
There you go, and we are back at the flea market. We are super late today. It's like 8:30. We honestly didn't think the market was going to be going on today because it's kind of like rainy and misty, but this did not stop these vendors. People are out here in full force. Hopefully there's some deals left, even though we are kind of late today. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Surprised you still got some shoes left this late.
Yeah, I've got a few pairs left.
Those are cool. Everything $10 still?
No, the price went up.
Price went up. I don't blame you. What do you want for these?
15.
15 for those?
That's a nice one.
Yeah, those are pretty nice.
Black one.
These? Some Hirachis. Those little kids ACG boots. Those are cool.
You don't want these? Oh, those are cool.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get those. What do you want for these little boots? 5, 6. Yeah, we came out here selling last week, and I was like, I'm gonna give these to somebody. Yeah, 15 for these and 5 for these, right? Yeah. All right, cool. Thank you, sir.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, that is cool. Oh, nice. It's fake. Is it made in USA?
No. Or made in USA.
Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah. It's not like an officially licensed thing, but it's really cool. What do you want for this shirt?
Okay, here's the story.
Tell me.
Paid $75 for it.
Ah,
yours
look like you got scammed,
yours
brother.
Right? No, I bought it there. You check out the master stuff.
All the master stuff officially is going to have a master's tag on it, like Augusta National or something like that.
This one here. Well, you know, you may be right on that.
Thank you, sir.
$8 anyway. Thank you.
Thank you.
$8.
$8?
Yes, sir. You know that's good.
Yeah.
You may be correct on this. I don't know, but my memory was I bought it.
What? How old is it? Do you know?
15 years.
Yeah, that sounds about right. You might have. Do you buy it from like an official vendor there, or somebody in the parking lot?
I went for 32 years.
Yeah, until it got impossible to go back in the 90s.
I lost tickets.
Yeah. Yeah, I can give you $8 for that. That's cool. There you go.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Super cool.
Yeah, very.
An item like this is so hard to predict the value on, but I'm probably going to list this for at least $50 plus shipping and just see what happens.
Forrest Gump soundtrack, the best soundtrack of any movie. And it's empty.
I think you're biased since you watched that movie.
No, Forrest Gump literally won best soundtrack in 1994 or whatever the year was. That's cool. Nike Center Swoosh. What do you want for this Nike sweatshirt?
I can do 10 on that. Yeah, it's a pretty good shape.
Here, I'm gonna look at these hats. He said these hats are $5 a piece.
Lizard Rock.
Yeah, get that one.
Marlboro?
Oh, that's Marlboro on the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so is this the yes pile? These?
Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Titleist. I don't know if this one is this worth $5?
It's super clean.
It's clean.
Yeah. We'll get those 3.
Okay.
That's 15. All right, so we got this Nike thing, and we got 4 hats. Should you do 25 for everything?
Yeah, sure. That's
Okay, cool. 25.
Thank you.
There you go.
So we paid $25 for the Nike hoodie and 4 hats, and I think we should be able to make almost all of that money back just from that really cool Chevrolet hat, and everything else will be pure profit.
No doubt, I believe you. $10, man, on the Kango. It's old England Kango.
That is an old one. Made in Great Britain. How about 6?
7. I do 7.
Yeah, I'll give you 7 for it.
Kango, I mean.
Yeah, Kango's cool.
You can't beat the Kango now.
Yeah.
I mean, $7.
Kangol's are fantastic hats. I'm not 100% sure how much this one is worth. My guess would be around the $30 to $35 mark, but some of them can sell as high as like $100, so definitely be on the lookout for this brand.
Is that a Kangol you got?
No, man, I got this hat. Man, I don't know where I got this hat. I seen some dude with that. Man, I got a hat that old brim right there.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, thank you too.
Thank you.
Hey, have you ever seen any of these two? I've seen this one. I've never seen these.
Nah, I was in Boy Scouts for one day.
I've seen this one.
Oh, I've never seen this one. I've never seen them. I mean, especially the colors. Yeah,
Cool, like teapot.
tiger cubs. I ain't. No, I knew they were Cub Scouts.
Yeah.
I think it is Cub Scouts.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is tiger cub.
Master Crafter's teapot clock. That's cool. The face is a little scratched.
No, I
but-
do $3. It's the old clock now.
Yeah, that's really
And it
cool.
got an orange tint to it.
Yeah,
It look, I mean, it's orange.
he's a good salesman. I'll give you $3 for it.
I mean, bro, hey, I'm out here to fail.
That's right. I think these are Kobe's though. Shows 12. I'm pretty sure these are Kobe's. How much for these? I'm pretty sure these are the ones that we picked up like 2 weeks ago that people like freaked out about. Okay, I'm gonna get these, but I gotta go get cash. Yeah, they're definitely Kobe's. Yeah. Ooh, chinchillas. Not chinchillas. What do you call pork rinds?
Chicharrones.
Chicharrones, not chinchillas. 120, 40, 60, 82.
It's so funny. Josh is so excited about these pair of shoes that he's like running.
It's called power walk.
Power walking.
It's the most efficient form of travel. Okay. Chekeleke. Thank you so much. A6 gel Keanu 25. How much are these? 35? And what about these? 45. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, everything looks really clean. I'll do those. You said 35 for these? Okay. I paid up for these, but these are a men's size 14 and they're basically brand new. And they're the gel Keanu 25, so I think I get like maybe 70 to 80 for these plus shipping. Maybe. Oh, okay, nice. The bottoms look good?
Yep.
Yeah, these are like clean. Yeah.
You don't want to get
How much? 35. I'll do that. It's for these.
Okay, can you have that back?
Oh, we got it. Thank you. Thank you. This is like a super clean pair of Hoka's. Hoka Bondi 4. Like, barely used at all. I'm okay to pay up for Hokas like that because they'll sell so fast. Look at these things. Are those pretty cool? And says 13. How much for these?
40.
$40. We're gonna get those. We're gonna need a bag.
Okay.
We got our own.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. How much are those bright yellow ones? The Zoom Pegasus.
This?
Yeah,
25.
pretty good. 20 for me? Yeah, I'll give you 20 for this. That's cool. This is our new shoe lady. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a good day. So things may have just changed and I'm not sure how I feel about it. So I was gonna give today a solid 10 out of 10. Like our expectations for today was super low. Like we came out here, we weren't even supposed to come out here. We were on the way to the other flea market because we thought it was gonna be raining
this morning too.
and we just decided to stop because there's so many vendors and we got a ton of good stuff. I was super excited about those Kobe shoes because those, I'm pretty sure those are the same ones that I passed like 3 or 4 videos ago, flea market videos ago, that you guys freaked out in the comments. Like we had 40 or 50 people were like, bro, I can't believe you left the Kobe's, what are you doing? So when I saw them, they were still there, the same booth, so I scooped them up, 45 bucks. But I don't know what you guys are talking about. The sold comps on these things are anywhere from like,
well, yeah, there's like
35
there's 3.
to
There's
70?
35 on a bid plus shipping, 36 plus shipping, and then 70 free shipping. That's it.
so I mean, it's still good. I was excited because you don't see Kobe's anymore, and you guys made me think that these are going to be worth, you know, 200 or 300 bucks. Not all of you, obviously, just the people that yelled at me for passing the Kobe's last time. But this goes to show that I'm going to trust my gut instinct. Whenever we come out to the flea market, yeah, we're going to miss things. We're going to look over things. We can't see every single item out here. So I appreciate you guys like letting me know when we're passing stuff up. But I'm still not going to trust you indefinitely. I'm going to start doing my own research because I don't think we'll lose money. These are men's size 13. or men's size 12, which is pretty good size. I mean, we'll probably make a little bit of money, but I got really excited about these for basically no reason. These should be good though. Haley was just looking up some comps on these Hoka Bondi 4 women's running shoes, and there was one comp for like, what, $29 or so?
Yeah.
And another comp for a men's size a little bit bigger for like $100. And that just goes to show that you can't always trust sold comps either, because I could list these on eBay right now for $10 and they would sell immediately. And then if some other person was looking them up, they're like, oh wow, these are only worth $10. No, they're worth way more than that. But obviously if you list them for less than they sell, they're gonna sell. Right. So you have to like take in all of the information on eBay. Just because you see some low sold comps doesn't mean that's the actual value of the item. You have to factor in the size and condition and availability and take all those things into account before you come up with a reasonable price. I think we can pretty easily get about 60 to 70 bucks plus shipping for these. I mean, they're in basically mint condition. So it's been a couple days since our trip to the flea market, and I want to jump in here and give you guys a quick update on 2 items from today's video. The first being that pair of Kobe basketball shoes. Now, we did decide to go ahead and list these for $100 free shipping on eBay, and I know that is higher than the 3 sold comps that we can currently find, but like I was just saying, for that pair of Hoka running shoes, you can't always base the value of your item solely from sold comps. If we're looking at the condition of these shoes, they're in like new, barely used condition. They're a good size. I'm in size 12. I think listing these for $100 free shipping is totally doable. It may take 3 to 6 months for us to find that one buyer that wants this exact pair of Kobe shoes in this exact colorway and exact size, but I don't think having them pay $100 free shipping is totally out of the question. These are a pretty nice pair of shoes, and they are limited. They're not making this pair of shoes anymore, so the value in theory should just go up over time. So I don't think it'll be an issue for us to get $100 free shipping, and when you sell athletic shoes on eBay for $100 or more, there are no eBay fees. So if we sell them for $100, we'll make about 90 or so after shipping. We paid $45 for them, so that'll be doubling our money exactly on a pair of nice Kobe shoes. So not quite the grail that I thought it was with all of you guys in your comments, but it's still pretty good flip. I appreciate all you guys letting us know when we miss stuff in the videos. I just got a little too excited about this one, and I'll just need to do my homework next time. The other thing I wanted to update you guys on was that last pair of Jordans we picked up at the flea market, the white pair with all those zigzaggy, colorful patterns on there. Apparently those are the Jordan 7 Retro Ugly Sweaters. They kind of do look like an ugly sweater. Paid $40 for those on a calculated risk. I looked at them at the flea market, and they seemed to be pretty authentic to me, so it wasn't a total risk. Once we got home, I sent some pictures over to the Check app. It's an app that authenticates your shoes for you. It costs like $3 per pair, and it did pass the Check authentication. So that was awesome. I will say that the Check app is not the end-all be-all of sneaker authentication. There are YouTube videos where people will send fake shoes to Check that come back as real, and they'll send real shoes to Check that come back as fake. So you can't always trust it 100%, but I will say that getting that authenticity pass from Check is better than not knowing at all. So we're going to list these on eBay with the screenshot from Check showing that it passed as part of our eBay listing, so at least the buyers will see that. And I think based off sold comps on this pair of Jordans, we should be able to sell them for about $150 free shipping. And when you sell shoes for $150 or more on eBay, eBay will actually authenticate them before they get to the buyer anyway. So now the buyer is going to hopefully buy them for $150 free shipping. They'll see that they pass the Check authenticity guarantee, and they will get authenticated by eBay as well, which will really give the buyer a good peace of mind in knowing that they got a really quality and authentic pair of Jordans. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it at all, take a couple of seconds and hit that like button for us down below. It's totally free, really helps us out a ton. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. We are pushing out 3 videos a week for you guys. If you want more content like this, definitely hit the subscribe button and stick around for more. Thank you guys again for watching. We love you so much. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.